You are. Hey. Alright, so.
Oh, bro, I was just getting into the vaporwave too. Alright, what?
Alright, so me and my buddy, Mr. Shot over here, we've been trying to finish and play. We've been trying to do this map.
Alright,
Alright, so we've been trying to do this map for, we've tried it like 5 times and we've failed miserably like every single time. So, I decided, why not record it?
that was not my fault.
I got some grenades.
Alright, hold up, man. Come on, let's do this. Oh, they're coming right in. Whoa! How am I already dead?
Alright, let me restart the game.
Bro, I ran out of bullets. Oh, you did? Okay.
Just pick up someone else's gun.
Alright, for this part, yep.
Alright, so we've gone this far. The next part is the most BS part in the entire game. Paul, don't fall. Don't fall again.
I will not fall, I swear. Okay, we both made it. Alright.
Oh!
Oh, nice shot, dude. I like that. Kill him. Oh, I shot. I deep right there. Oh, crap, almost fell.
Okay,
Ooh.
So I think this is the ear rape part.
Yeah, you care to go in?
Nah, you got it, dude. You got it.
You're the one who's recording. You go.
Alright, fine.
Dude, this dude had a M249. That's funny. Pick that up.
Isn't that like a worse than the Negev?
Nah, man. It's.
Wait, where am I being shot from?
Where?
Do you want to lend me a gun?
You want the deagle? Nah, I'll keep the deagle. Here's the auto for you.
Okay. So this is literally the farthest we've gone into the map.
Nah.
Oh my god.
Oh, run, chill. Dude!
That was a grenade.
Got Kobe!
Why do you have the COD gun? You're a disgusting human being.
Dude, shut up. This is a freaking co-op map. What is this? Oh no!
Oh my god!
Yo! Okay. Oh, I see. Thank you, friend. What is? It's all black for me. What is this?
I don't know. Press
Am I
E on
supposed to
it.
break this?
Oh. Wait, can you drive that?
Oh shoot.
I think you're supposed to be on top of that.
Oh no.
Yeah, you were supposed to be on that. Alright guys, welcome back to Fizzie. Today we're gonna be doing a CSGO co-op mission. And Matt sucks at CSGO.
Wait, what? What? Excuse me?
Okay, so you guys haven't Matt sucks at CSGO.
CSGO.
Oh, hello?
How did I die?
Look at you guys.
Dude, Matt, you already just stole.
Okay,
Get him.
so you have to go up to this and then press this thing.
Ooh.
Now, don't jump out and fall out of the train, alright? We have to wait. Matt, oh!
That wasn't me.
Wait, guys, I'm on the
Pierce!
train.
Pierce!
I'm on the back of the train.
You're supposed to wait for this thing to come.
It actually boosted Fizzie. Bro, I already jumped into the train as a joke, and I got carried like inside the train. I wish I was.
You're supposed to wait till it comes.
Matt. You can do it.
Wait, Pierce, that's you. Wait, that's Matt?
Is this supposed to happen?
Yeah, it's a respawn point.
Hey, wait. Well, I don't even have full health though.
Okay, yeah,
Wait,
so
respawn?
yeah.
So if we die?
Well,
God,
no,
look, this
no,
is sick.
it's just like a one. Yeah, you have to go up and press E on that. Look, hey.
I don't have it.
Wait, what? I don't have it. Wait,
No.
what?
No, okay, look. Wait, drop down, look.
I don't wanna.
Jump down there, okay. Then just like go to the edge.
Wait, Fizzie, you're here. What the heck?
Yeah, it's a respawn point for me. Just go to the edge and then press E, yeah, see? And then press space to detach from it.
Yay.
Mine didn't work. Mine didn't work. Alright, respawn. We alright.
No, we don't. No, we're not.
Oh.
We restart the entire map.
But
Oh.
easy mode. What are you talking about?
I'm nearly there.
No, you're not. Okay, yeah, you are. Yeah.
Yeah, screw it.
No, Matt. Oh my god.